Okay, so this is the Zeny portable washing machine, which I purchased from Amazon for about $100, free shipping. This is the machine in action. It's a pretty awesome job if you ask me. And this is the drainer. And it's very inconvenient for a small apartment. I have a son, he's in school, so sometimes I don't feel like going to the laundry to wash his uniform, which is what I'm washing right now. So I feel it's pretty awesome. Hope this helped. If you live in a dorm and small room apartment, this is the perfect thing for you. 100% recommended.